For over 25 years, VMI has been manufacturing state-of-the-art wheelchair access ramps for full-size and minivans. Utilizing the latest engineering advancements to ensure quality and dependability, and integrating life-altering value our products can provide a person with a disability. The process of designing, engineering, and building these modern accessibility vehicles takes place in an equally modern factory. Utilizing the latest techniques from part manufacturer and storage to assembly line and checkpoints assures 100% functionality and 100% repeatability. The transformation begins with one of several award-winning minivans, including the Honda Odyssey, Chrysler Town & Country, Toyota Sienna, and others. A testament to VMI's belief that a world-class accessible van begins with a world-class vehicle. And VMI's relationship with these automakers ensures every converted vehicle maintains the same integrity and character that it was originally designed with. A team of experts descends on the vehicle, and in a matter of only a few minutes, the vehicle has many of the components disassembled, removed, and cataloged for reassembly later. This ensures absolute unobstructed access to key areas of the vehicle that will be converted. All components that are not used are recycled, minimizing waste. Various exterior chassis components are removed, including bumpers, fuel and AC lines, and other original equipment items that will be replaced by carefully engineered versions designed specifically for the ramp conversion. With interior prep completed, the vehicle is readied for the frame installation, the backbone of the ramp conversion, and an engineering masterpiece all of its own. The new conversion floor unit has been highly engineered to exacting standards to ensure quality, dependability, and complete repeatability. And each floor is installed to meet stringent requirements and tolerances. Lowering the vehicle floor over 12 inches makes for a very comfortable interior for wheelchair users and able-bodied passengers alike. Using state-of-the-art welding techniques, the OEM floor is removed and replaced by a custom-designed and engineered floor unit. These floors are highly detailed units built to exacting standards, assembled by high-tech robotic technology, one at a time, with complete repeatability. The floor units are then fully submersed into a large tank for a specialized E-coating that makes the newly designed floor 100% protected from the elements for a long life. Once the newly crafted floor unit is carefully installed, work continues on the other highly engineered components that make the mechanical conversion complete. All these finely crafted parts in inventory have been carefully measured using a tool called a Portable Coordinate Measurement Machine, or PCMM, which resembles a robot arm. This instrument that takes the physical dimensions of any part and compares it to the original drawing, ensuring a stockroom full of 100% accurate parts are available. At this point, many of the exterior components from the original equipment manufacturer removed earlier in the process are now reinstalled, including the rear axle, tires and wheels, and more. Mounting points for the power kneel system are welded, and the full system is installed. When the power kneel system is activated, it causes the vehicle to angle over towards the ramp when deployed, reducing the access angle and minimizing the effort required to enter a van in a wheelchair. Once the exterior mechanicals have been installed, work begins on the prep work for a clean and clear paint job. The state-of-the-art paint booth facility, one of only a few in the country, is large enough to handle up to 6 vehicles at one time. Each vehicle, now back to a rolling chassis stage, enters the paint booth for perfectly color-matched additions to the original manufacturer's painted exterior. Flare extensions are also painted to match, which once installed will not only cover up the exterior evidence of a conversion, but add a sense of style and uniqueness to the vehicle. Emerging from the other side, the state-of-the-art accessible vehicle is taking shape. Electrical modifications and testing are key stops along the assembly path. Due to the lowered floor configuration, many original equipment electrical systems are replaced with new components designed to work with the new systems. The main component is the control module. This sophisticated unit is the brains behind the ramp conversion and maintains and monitors all conversion functions within the vehicle. Complex communication between the unit, the ramp motors, the vehicle's power doors, and other controls ensure precise and error-free operation. LED readouts on the unit's face display critical functions and codes to both allow operators to install and check functionality, but also aids in diagnostic service in the future. The original equipment seats are utilized, but are now placed atop highly engineered seat bases. These allow for many seating situations and can be easily rolled in and out of the vehicle and installed quickly and effortlessly. The electrical connector accessed in the back of the seat reconnects all original manufacturer sensors and airbag functionality, ensuring complete driver and passenger safety. The North Star ramp trolley is installed. The North Star ramp is the pinnacle of accessible vehicle technology and the only one of its kind. Many accessible conversions utilize a folding type ramp system, in which the ramp folds in half and is stored in the doorway when not in use. The North Star ramp is a single piece that slides in and out of the van in a pocket beneath the door, enabling 100% unobstructed access to the vehicle for able-bodied passengers. The ramp material is a highly engineered composite of aluminum sheet and honeycomb structure, and the result of months of testing to find the best material. Even though officially rated for a 750-pound capacity, the ramp is actually capable of supporting over 3,000 pounds, which makes it an ideal choice for a ramp material wheelchair-bound customers can rely on time and time again. The North Star trolley system is elegant in its simplicity, engineered with few moving parts for an incredible reliability rate and quiet operation for peace of mind for years to come. Final assembly continues on the remaining components, with careful attention being placed on every aesthetic aspect of the vehicle. Body lines are perfect, the paint match is identical, and the fit and finish of each component is checked. Taking a cue from high-end European supercars, the interior plastics have a refined look to them, rendering clean, smooth lines and adding to the high-class feel of the renovated interior spaces. Functionality and a refined beauty, all at the same time. The floor is covered by either an automotive-grade carpet or a material called Durafloor, a unique rubberized flooring that resembles carpet, but provides much better traction for wheelchairs, additional insulation to reduce road noise, and is simple and easy to keep clean. Specially designed L-tracks are installed into the floor, allowing for a wheelchair to be secured for travel in a host of different configurations, from driver to rear passenger. The rear bench is modified and raised up to compensate for the lowered floor, allowing able-bodied passengers to sit in comfort. The convenient fold-down footrests are also installed, making it more comfortable for able-bodied passengers. In the quest for a superior accessible vehicle, safety is the utmost concern. Every vehicle goes through a massive array of crash tests and checkpoints, the exact same battery of tests that all vehicles must pass. VMI vehicles have all received National Highway Traffic Safety Administration certification and have passed all FMVSS rear, frontal, and side impact tests, including the most recent FMVSS 50 mph crash test. These vital steps ensure the vehicle maintains its original safety capabilities. Now, the completely assembled accessible van is taken through the final inspection checks and adjustments. The van is moved into a highly lit area to expose any flaws or imperfections, allowing these to be marked for correction prior to shipping. Once complete, the van is weighed for state and national registration requirements, and an alignment is performed to ensure accurate tracking of the wheels. A final inspection of all systems and a test drive is performed, followed by a full cosmetic detail inside and out, producing a state-of-the-art engineering and design marvel, and continuing with the belief in proper engineering principles and practices, and in the life-altering value a wheelchair van provides a person with a disability.